Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Today, we want to visit several famous nature spots around Lubuklinggau. First is Mahaloka, located at Jenderal Sudirman Street, number G1 Mataram, Tugumulyo District, Musirawas Regency. Here is a place that we can have breakfast with nature view. We can buy some traditional food such as getuk, cenil, lemper, and the other. Then, we can choose the spot to sit while have breakfast. Feels so relaxing and refreshing. The second place is Remis, located on Wonokerto, Tugumulyo District, Musirawas Regency. Here, we can buy remis while enjoying a rice-field view. What a beautiful view, right? There were a lot of birds flying around it. And here is a famous place to buy remis, meatball, and the other food. We can take a picture or just chill and enjoying the view.
Our last destination is Watervang. Area provides a spacious park and parking lot. In Dutch, the name Watervang means water catch. This dam, a remnant of the Dutch colonial era, originally functioned to irrigate the rice field in the Mirasi area. Here also has a bridge that connects the two sides of the site. We can go down to the lower area to enjoy a closer view of the dam. Besides supplying water for agriculture, it also became a tourist attraction that was renovated again at the end of 2022. Many visitors relax here, enjoy the scenery, play in the water, swim, or take photos with the beautiful dam as the background. Today, Watervang is managed as an asset of the South Sumatra Provincial Water Resources Office and the Ministry of Public Works and Housing. There are also small local food stalls where we can stop by to try local snacks while enjoying the calming atmosphere of the waterfront. That's all for today's trip. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.